Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for June 14th of 2025 is titled Meteors and Satellite Trails over the Limay River. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a picture taken last month in Argentina, and getting an idea, taking a look up at the sky to see how messy the sky can get when you take a longer exposure. Now, a number of the objects there are natural sky objects, and those include our Milky Way off to the left-hand side there, as well as the planet Venus, the bright object down to the lower right-hand side of the sky. The rest of the things that you see there's a few meteor trails that we can see, and you'll notice that they're different than the other lines. We see a whole bunch of lines going across there. The two meteor trails are the ones that are smaller, and you can also note the color difference and the brightness difference over the course of the trail. So you note that they're much smaller than the other trails, and that they change in color. That signifies them as a meteor. A meteor will start burning up and will start at a different brightness, and then will get brighter and brighter until it finally dissipates into the sky. The others are all satellite trails, and you'll see that they're much more consistent in brightness as they go across. They don't really change color like those meteor trails do. Now, off to the right-hand side, you see, again, satellites there. And the satellites, that's actually part of one of the Starlink sets of satellites, which consists of groups of satellites. That's why you see such a wide band there. That's not a wide band from a single satellite, but from many dozens of satellites very close together as they move around Earth. So really what we're seeing here is all different things at various different distances from Earth. We have, first of all, the meteors. Those are within our atmosphere. The satellites are up above Earth's atmosphere, but orbiting around Earth. We have another planet, the planet Venus, that is orbiting around the sun, and then we have our entire galaxy that we can see off to the left-hand side. Again, so we're seeing all of this at various different distances, but when we look at things on the sky, they all look like they're the same distance. We have no way to really see what's in front and what's behind, or to really compare distances when we look at the different objects. And that's why we sometimes consider this a great celestial sphere on which everything appears to rotate. And that is our perspective that we get from Earth. However, we can, of course, make more detailed measurements and find out how far away things are and measure those distances with varying accuracy. And the accuracy is usually much better for nearby objects and much worse as we head far out into the depths of the universe. So that was our picture of the day for June 14th of 2025. It was titled Meteors and Satellite Trails over the Limay River. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be one sun. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.